Beezer Golf is great when playing with a group, but it's a perfect solo golf companion too. The fully customizable scorecard lets you drag sections on and off, or drag to reorganize them. You can even automatically keep track of Stableford scoring points right on the scorecard. Beezer Golf will store your changes and use your personalized scorecard every time you play. Scoring your round is easy. Tap the row for the hole you're playing, then tap plus or minus to set your score. You can also record more details of every hole to take advantage of Beezer Golf's in-depth stats. Beezer stores every scorecard in the round history and uses that data to analyze every aspect of your game. The Insights tab shows your score breakdown, putting and GIR data, fairway and recovery analysis, and more. And if you have an Apple Watch, you can even see distances and hazard details right on your wrist, plus score your round without taking your phone out of your pocket. Welcome to Beezer Golf, the perfect scorecard.